breakfast though, right?
You got breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Coffee does not count as breakfast.
Coffee and breakfast. It's
Huh?
the best breakfast in the world.
No.
Ruffians, you're with me, right?
No.
Ruffians.
You get good. Yeah.
Coffee,
I have breakfast earlier.
Ruffians.
Good job. Oatmeal good. Well, maybe there's some ruffians that haven't had breakfast yet. What are we gonna do about that, huh, Raora? Yeah, maybe you have something that's almost as good as breakfast that you could share. Huh?
Me?
Yeah. Energy.
Yes. I have something.
Okay.
I have a cattle. Hey, Ruffian. Cattle time. Some mornings feels like you've just spawned into the day with zero energy. So half asleep while life is already running, and it's totally normal. Pause and give yourself a mini reset, slow breath, sip of water, a tiny stretch, maybe a song that you love, and even a silly gift if you want. Little things worth like tiny powers up, and still, even if it's still heavy, you can share a meme, you can reach out, you can text a friend, and you can ask for a hug, and you can watch FUWAMOCO Morning. That's no weakness, okay? It's smart healing.
Yeah.
Every step counts. You're doing better.